In this video, we are going to see what the scatter plot is using our graphing calculator TI-83 or 84. The scatter plots show how two variables relate to each other by showing how closely the data points fit to a line called the line of best fit. An effective way to see the relationship in a data is to display the information as a scatter plot and then see how these points fit to that line of best fit. Let's see how it goes here using TI-83 and 84. So using TI-83 and 84, let us see how to fit a line, how to draw the scatter plot, and how to fit the line of best fit for this example where the shopkeeper have some information about his ice cream sales during the temperatures given in a particular day. So for 12 days, he has collected the information about the sales, and the temperature is taken as our x-axis. Ice cream sales is taken as the y-axis. Y-axis is our response variable. The temperature is our x variable. So we have to enter this x under L1 of our start edit in our calculator, and L2 will be the response variable, which is our ice cream sales. So entering those values under L1 and L2, L1 is our X, which is our temperature, and L2 is our Y, which is our sales during those 12 days. Entering this and selecting stat plot, and let us select the appropriate icon here. The first type is our scatter plot. By graphing it, by just pressing zoom 9, we get the scatter plot like this. So using our graphing calculator, we can enter that under stat edit. L1 and L2 will be entered, and select a stat plot, select the appropriate icon, take zoom 9, which is zoom fit, and that will display the scatter plot. Now if you want to have a clear trace that in your notebook, maybe you can adjust the window and graph it. So this graph will give us an idea of how you will have a scale on the x-axis and the y-axis by pressing window, and then you can approximate those points and graph them in your so we get the scatter plot like this using our graphing calculator. The temperature on the x-axis, response variable on the y-axis, and we have the points scattered all over. Now we need to fix a line of best fit for this. In order to get the regression line y equal to a plus bx using our graphing calculator, let us, since all these values are already entered under L1 and L2, let us select stat calc number 8, which is the linear regression a plus bx. So if I select number 8 linear regression, that will give us the value for a and b, where b is the slope and a is the intercept. It looks like b is positive, so it has a positive slope. And if we are getting the value for this equation entered under y1, which is the equation negative 159.47 plus 30.09 times x, and press graph, we will get the line along with the scatter plot. The scatter plot is already there in our calculator. Now we have included the regression line. So the line what we get is the line of best fit. This is a representation for the whole data. It looks like some of the points are lying on it, and some are above and lying below. And those points are close to this line, y equal to a plus bx, where a is negative 159.47, b is 30.09. So using our graphing calculator, we were able to get the line of best fit, the least square regression line for the data whatever we had. That is for the data for temperature and sales. Entering that under L1 and L2, we were able to get a line of best fit for the whole data. So this video helped us to understand how to draw the scatter plot and how to get the line of best fit or the regression line using our graphing calculator TI-83 and 84. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening. Hope this video will be helpful to you.